guys, and today I'm at the warehouse. Why? Because I'm delivering a excavator. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right to it. So now we're gonna do a part, I think. No. I'm sure that we're gonna go this way. Whoa, slippery! It's really slippery for me. What's this? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need to be careful of the slippery and icy roads. Oh God. Okay. Oh wow. I need to pay the damage for my new lowboy trailer. What's down here? The railroad tracks. Wait, I need to go here. Oh, what? Oh no, I need to pay the damage for my new Kenworth W900. I need to pay my damage for my new Kenworth W900. What was that truck? Oh God! Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 That was another trucker. Come on. To demolish it. Okay, so our delivery is to the junkyard. Yep, there is the junkyard. Oh, scraps and props. Yep, we're gonna get this thing unloaded. So this is Josh Auto Repair. Alright, so now, right, Josh, here you go. This is for the scrap metal to demolish it. Yeah. Right, so now we got it unloaded, so now close. That's closed. So now, right guys, so that's all. Now goodbye.